I did a random code challenge. I honestly don't mind doing that again. Yeah, it was kind of fun. But yeah, today let's just just do some very basic stuff, and yeah, just code for fun, I guess. Yeah. So today has been quite a chill day for me. So intending to just chill out in this clash of code as well. Yeah, nothing really fanciful today. Okay, let's just try. Too good to be true. I guess we can use C sharp. Yeah, since we are in the C sharp code already. Too good to be true. Oh, I have no idea how they did this. The quick brown. Oh, there's a method. I think four means a spacing of four, and if it's a dot, it's a space. Okay, so I guess what we want to do is we just want to take in the text. For integer I equals 0, I smaller than text dot. Okay, I can't remember C sharp length. Some dot string. Can't remember what this is. Dot length. I believe it's something dot length. Right, so something dot length. I plus plus. Okay. Uh, Maybe we just have another string. String answer will be equals to this. So maybe here we have oh, why is this a squiggly line? Oh, okay, answer is equals to text I. Okay, so actually this one should be I to n. Okay, then we have an inner loop for j equals 0, j smaller than j equals to I, j smaller than text dot length, j plus equals to n because we have to do the loop. So answer plus equals to text dot I. Okay, if text I plus if text j equals to this equals to dot, then answer plus equals to space, else answer plus equals to the text itself. Yeah, that's what we want to do. And then we just print out the answer like that. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so T, I saw have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be the fifth line here. So somehow it's not looping through the text itself. Maybe what I need to do is I guess I need to print out what's printing out in my case. This text J. See, over here is correct. Too good to be true. Okay. Oh, it's because of this I instead of J. Okay, let's try again. This should work already. So let's try this. Okay, there's this extra space here. So the 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be a space here. 1, 3, 4. Another space. And let's just see whether this is the same trend for the rest. Yeah, somehow the space is at the wrong position. This is kind of weird. Yeah, this is really kind of weird. I mean, it's deciphering correctly, but the words are in the wrong position. The Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could mean that if you see a dot, you go to the start again. Quick, I, C, K, and brown, ROWN, box, OX, and a dot. It could mean that dot means the end of the sentence. Yeah, maybe I just break out the loop like that. Yeah, it could mean that a dot, you go to the start of the sentence again. Okay, so now the too good to be true. Let's analyze this. T O O break, and you go to the start, right? G O O D, and then okay, so maybe I will just break over here. So maybe at the end here, I don't add the space, I just add the space here. If I not equals to n minus 1, then answer plus equals to space. Yeah, it's only when it's not at the end that we add a space for the answer. Yeah, so every time you look through with intervals of 5 and then you see a dot, you break out of the loop and then you go to the beginning again. Oh, that was difficult. Yeah, it's not easy. I mean, whoever came up with this problem, yeah, it's not easy at all. Yeah, I wish I could see his Python code. But yeah, I just did in C sharp because it's the language that appeared on my console. Yeah, if you would like to request a language, I can see whether I can code in it. Yeah, I'm familiar with Python, Ruby, C++, little bit of C sharp. Was learning JavaScript last week. Yeah, so those are the kind of languages I can use. Yeah, I don't really like to use Haskell, those functional programming ones. It's very difficult to use it. It is kind of different from the mainstream languages. Yeah, the mainstream languages uses like if else statements kind of approach, like control flow statements. Yeah, it's kind of weird to use functional based methods. All right, let's see what we get. Shortest mode. Okay, then I'll use Ruby. Peter wants to paint and fill two rectangles with the same color on the wall. He needs to know the filling area. Okay, for integers x, y, w, and h. Okay, xy is bottom left. What does it mean by filling area? Oh, okay, I get what it means. It means that this is a rectangle and this is a rectangle. Like here they don't overlap, so it's 26. But if let's say the rectangles overlap, then we need to here is 4 and 16, but the start position of this it overlaps entirely with this. Hence, we just need to do this here. So I mean, there's some ways to do this where we can just we can either use an array to do this, or we could like do a multiple if else to filter out the areas that are overlapping. I mean, we could find the areas that overlap if we take this starting. But there's too many if else statements that we need to do here. Mm, I'm kind of more keen to do the array method. So let me just I wonder if I can print out this A and B. Is it no method for split? Yeah, suppose so. Because there's two. Okay, so maybe what I can do is I can just map this entire thing into like maybe an array A. Yeah, then this will give me my entire the entire row of an array 2 3 4 5 8 1 3 2. I mean, one way I can do it is I can have a 100 by 100 array and I fill up each of them with a 1. Yeah. So maybe I can just do this equals to 0 times 10,000. Yeah. Then basically um, for basically in the A0. Okay, so we need to do this, add to this A0 to A0 plus. This actually will not be very short after all. Yeah. If we were to do something like this, I mean, we could, I mean, we, we could do this. I mean, just to print out the X, we can see what's going on here. Dot each. Okay. Yeah, I mean, what I can do is I can do it like for I in this. Sorry, there's a comment. Oh, hi, Murat. Yeah, long time no see. Yeah, we can play later. Yeah, let me just finish this Clash of Code first. Yeah, then later I can create a pirate cache. Okay, so for I in A's for range loops in Ruby. I wonder what this does. I remember there's a for something in. I think this is the format, if I'm not wrong. Okay, like that. Yeah, this is the format. I wonder if there's a shorter way to do this. Yeah. This is like kind of brute force. Yeah. Wonder if Python would be better in this case. Yeah. So I have this. I can actually do another loop. Do it like that. So it'll be k plus 1. This one will be k plus 1. This will be k plus 2. And this will be k plus 3. And maybe I just print the entire sum. 42. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, just print out I and j to just check that is correct. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 7, 2. Oh, why is it so much? 3 to 8. Yeah, 3 to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like this is a dot dot dot. Let's try this again. 26. Okay, so this looks correct already. Just wonder if there's a more like efficient way to do this, because like it looks kind of lengthy, right? Yeah, but this is the, I think this should be much simpler than if we were to compare the bottom left of the rectangle, and then we find regions where they intersect and regions that they don't intersect. That will be lengthier. So I think this is already the shortest already, in my own humble opinion. I think this is shorter than doing the the overlapping part. There's an IOU method where you can do this. All right, just submitting this. Slightly lengthy. Yeah, 145 characters. Oh, look at that, 107 characters. Aha, yeah, I guess we could do this. Oh, nice. He did this method, which is the intersection method. C times T, G times H minus an intersection, which is the maximum of A and E, minus the minimum of these two. And then he did the same for the other side. Oh, nice. Yeah, so this could tell the entire overlap region by taking the extreme ends and just taking the lesser of the x-axis, the higher of the x-axis. These are the regions that they overlap, and this is the region that overlap on the y-axis. Very nice. Yeah, mine is kind of a brute force method. It's not the most elegant, but it's a brute force method. Murad, are you still there? Do you want to do a private clash? I mean, I'm still waiting for people. I'm not sure whether there's more people today, because I saw there's another stream going on. Yeah. Oops. But we could try. We could see whether there's more people joining us. Oh, no, no, no. Let me leave. Yep. Let me leave this. Start a private clash. And yeah, we could go with any language. Yeah. Recently I've been trying to do this random language thing. It's kind of fun. Yeah. Basically it's the kind of thing where you just randomly choose a language using a random number generator, and then we see whether you want to try it, Murat? You want to try the random language challenge? Basically, I'll just use a random number generator and roll a number, and then that means we will use that language for the challenge. All right. Oh yeah, game for this challenge. Nice. I like your enthusiasm. Okay. Okay. So it's between 1 to 37. So number 30. So later we'll just use language number 30 for the. Yeah, so that means it's language number 30. Later I'll go and check what it is. Okay, 30 means 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Oh, this is hard. It's PHP. So, 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 so the language you need to use is PHP. I never used this before. Kind of looks like Bash though, with the dollar sign. Yeah. I never used PHP before, so but it looks familiar. It looks like C actually. I mean from this statements, yeah. That this is like scanf, and then this is like echo answer is where you print out the stuff. Okay, so I kind of know what this clash is to split characters up in groups of five. Yep. And here is in groups of one, and we split the characters. Yeah. Okay, we start with the first one first. For loops in PHP. Yeah. Yes, that's the first thing we need to do. For loops. All right. For init counter. Yeah, something like this. Actually, it looks very similar to C, right? Yeah. For $I equals to 0. I guess I don't even need to declare the type. Yeah. I smaller than n, $n, I plus plus. Are there brackets in PHP? I think there is. Okay, so this is not n. This one should be I plus equals to n. Okay, so string length in PHP. String length in PHP. String length function. String length string. It isn't too bad actually. PHP isn't as bad as I thought it would be. I plus plus. Maybe what I'll do is I just want to check something. I just echo. I wonder if I can do this. I just want to print that character out. Can I do this to print out the entire string? Oh, there's a syntax error here. Oh, no, I want to delete away this equal sign. Yeah. Now I just want to print out my entire string one by one to just check. Nothing. Oh, because this is not $I. This is, yeah. Oh, it works. It works. Okay, so then if $I percent $n is 0, then I also will print out an additional dash. I think that's all for this code. Yeah. Oh, I forgot the index for the string is 0 index. So 0, this will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I should put this in front actually. I should put this here. And n $I not equals here. I'm assuming that they follow C syntax. So I'm just using the C method to do it. Yeah, it turns out that it does follow the C syntax. So yeah. Hi Cenobite offset. Yeah, I'm just doing uh like short private clashes. Now you want to join in? You want to join in? Pass you the link here. So what we are doing now is actually we are sort of doing some random code challenge. Yeah, to spice things up. So the random number generator decided that it was PHP for this clash of code. So that's why we are coding in PHP now. Yeah. So yeah, I mean this clash is just basically for every nth character you print a dash, and that's more or less it. It's quite interesting. PHP syntax. Maybe see PHP syntax. I always thought PHP is a very obscure language in HTML, but somehow it looks like it's even easier than Java. PHP is Not too bad actually. Yeah, it's really not too bad. See, look at that. So so elegant. You can just this is like a concatenation sign. Oh, this is echo. Huh? PHP is much easier than I thought it would be. Mm, yeah, kind of looks like Bash because of echo and, but I'm not too sure whether it is Bash is the same as this. Yeah, I guess later we could try Bash. PHP variables. Yeah, the beautiful thing about all these new old languages is that they all kind of follow a C kind of syntax, so it's kind of easy to know how to pick it up. Letter underscore alphanumeric variable scope. Sorry, Murad. Yeah, I didn't know you finished already. All right. Yeah, it's quite beautiful, right? PHP. It looks like C plus plus, isn't it? Or C. And wow, you know the dot method. Yeah. What's a try hack me? Yeah, certainly. I'll check out your channel. Okay, let's try again. Let's try to do another clash. Yeah, here we go. Here's the link. How's the use of PHP, Murat? Have you used that before? PHP. Okay, let's try. Let's try another one. Oh, was it easy to use the PHP? It's like, yeah, because I was quite surprised with the ease of picking it up. All right. So anyway, for this one, I think we will start first. Just wait for more people to come soon. Yeah, yeah, it's actually very similar to C. Okay, so for the next language, if you want to do the random challenge, it will be language number 10. Uh, Number 10 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Groovy. Yeah, so we'll code in. I mean, if you want to take up the challenge, we'll code in Groovy. Uh, by the random text containing only the letters AHIMOT can be mirrored, including the alignment. Mm, same. I've never used Groovy before. Yeah, I noticed there's quite a few newcomers to this stream. If you all like to join the clash, today is kind of a chill mode. Yeah, yeah, it kind of looks like Java. Yes. Yeah. So I think I'm still going to continue my random challenge today. Yeah. So I just let the random language generate. I mean, random number generator pick a language, and then we just try to code with that language. Okay. So looks like we need to mirror the text. Text containing only these letters as well as spaces can be mirrored, including their alignment. That means we need to know the length of each of the texts, right? Then we can mirror them. Oh, there's an empty line. Oh, it's just a space. Okay. Uh, Easy enough, I guess. Yeah. So first, groovy length of string. So actually, for like programming languages, the main thing is to know what you want to do. So it's like a dot length is the length of string. Groovy. I wonder why it's called groovy. Groovy string concatenation. So yeah, if we want to concatenate strings together in groovy, how do we do it? Groovy. Oh, there's a plus operator. Okay, that's I think all I need for this. Uh, yeah, I'm probably not gonna go for shortest here. I'm just gonna go for functional. Yeah. So uh, looks like we don't have to declare the type here. So maybe max equals 0. Uh, Max function groovy. Let's try to do. Oh, wow! Groovy has a max function. Impressive. Isn't this like Java? Yeah, this is Java. I mean, this is Java syntax for I guess Groovy might be a spin-off from Java. I'm not sure, but first we need to find the max length. Is it? Oh, that's a command. Okay, find maximum string length. So m equals to max m x up dot length. I need. It appears that we don't have to use semicolons at the end of the. So weird. Yeah, we don't have to use. We don't have to end the. Over here, everything is with semicolon, but in the example they gave, I'm just gonna play safe and put the sem. It might be like JavaScript. Yeah, you know, I'm not sure why they didn't have the semicolon here, but I suppose there's an automatic. Let's search for it. Groovy. Do you need semicolon? Yeah. Looks like JavaScript. Yeah, looks like we. Looks like all these are optional. Yeah. Okay, so we have max. Let's just try to print the max length out to see whether it's working. Yeah, we need to make sure that the max length is working. Is dot length. That's correct. Okay, let's try to print the line here to see whether is it working. Input dot next line, input dot next line. Seems like it's only printing the first input. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it's kind of weird that it's only printing the first one because okay, scan in line include. Okay, this is a book. Okay. Oh, you can do like Oh, this looks like Ruby, you know, this dot each. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is so interesting. I'm just wondering whether this, what kind of work in coding game. Okay, let's just omit this for now. Try this. I mean, yeah, somehow their input didn't work for me, so come on. Why is this not working? Okay, maybe I deleted too much of it. System.in. Okay, so let's just comment everything out. Oh, this is so cool, if you could just read everything in like that. Okay, so this file is not, maybe this will be system.in. Let's just try and say that it reads in all the lines one by one. Oh, very good. Bye bye. Yeah, so we can define this L as this. Oh, no. This is really like, kind of reminds me of Ruby, isn't it? Right. Just wondering whether I can, just make this as L. Oh, you know what? I could even do this, I think. I could just read directly like that. Then I can just print L like that. Wonder if I can do like array slicing here. This is Ruby style. This is Ruby style. I'm liking Ruby. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Oh, very nice. Uh, okay, I store all my lines here. So x dot each. Okay, let's just try to print M now. This is a lambda function, I think. Is it that I need to do math.max? I'm not sure. Yes, math.max is the reason why it didn't work. I wonder if I can just do, like that. Reverse a string in Groovy. Oh, there's a reverse method. Almost done. I'm almost done with this. Oh, okay. That means my addition here is wrong. Why don't they let me? Why don't they let me reverse the code? Yeah. Wow, Murat, you solved it. Oh, you could do this. Don't you think it looks like Ruby to you? This Groovy. Yeah. Kind of looks like Ruby, right? Oh, wow. Replace all of the spaces with no space. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah. Guess you need to reverse the space at the back. Yeah, I have no idea why this kind of didn't work. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to add like multiple space. Hey, thanks, Murat. Thanks for joining in. Yep. I'll see you around soon. Okay, see ya. Oh, that was tough. Oh, this Ruby is kind of very similar to Ruby. Actually, quite curious. Is Groovy like Ruby? Ruby is for Java. For one of it. Yeah, here it is. Groovy is built on the strengths of Java, inspired by Python, Ruby, and Smalltalk. Oh, nice. Okay. Ruby blended Perl, Smalltalk, Ether, Ada, and Lips to create a new language. Nope. Yeah, actually Groovy is kind of a good language. Yeah, I don't mind like learning it further. It's so elegant. Although I can't seem to do the reverse properly, but oh, just now my input output was really elegant. Yeah, kind of liked it. Yeah, I'm not too sure whether there's enough people who want to do a private class. I'll just post the link here for maybe 5 minutes and see if anyone wants to join. If not, then I will just go back to public clashing. Yep, go on. That was kind of fun to just randomly code in a new language. Okay, looks like there's no one. It's all right. Let's just go to the public clash and just join in. Is there something new? I'm also trying to do Alpha Zero training. It's running as we speak. Alpha Zero is harder than to train than it looks. Yeah, just like sometimes the neural network doesn't learn, although you use like memory replay. So Alpha Zero has its own. I mean, it's elegant, but it has its own limitations as well. Hi Vazu. Yeah, now I'm just doing public clashes first because there's probably not enough people to do private clash at the moment. Okay, let's just try to solve this problem first. Given a list of n different integers, each of these integers representing a day in the day of the year format. Okay, 133 is February 2nd. Okay, so that means 33 is 33 minus 31 because January has 31 days, therefore it's February 2nd. Maximum number of those days that can be simultaneously be weekdays. Okay, actually this really doesn't matter. Yeah, I just need to do the modulo. Yeah, 10 different space, maximum number of days that can simultaneously. Okay, let's just do this. D star L equals to the whole input, and then we split, and then we map it to integers. So we can print out the whole list of L. This is why I like Ruby for shortest mode. It's like so elegant. You can just do one line to take in all the input using this kind of hack. So 7, 8, 9, 18. Okay, so actually, since I'm mapping here, I might as well just map this to uh, Okay, maybe I can just do like dot I because I want to do one more thing. I want to do a modulo 7. Yeah. Okay, so basically what we need to do is we just need to count the number. So there will be 2 days that will be taken out, like 5, 6, or 6, 7, that kind of thing. And those 2 days will then be not included. So we need to find out the number of those days it can be simultaneously be weekdays. So here 0, 1, 2, 4, you can just add everything up. The answer is 4. 1, 2, 4, 6. One of them will be excluded because of the nature of this. So okay, it would help if I were to convert this tally into a matrix or into a list. Yeah, it'll be helpful if I can convert this into a list. So yeah, how would modulo of 6 help actually? Yeah, because I'm thinking I take modulo of 7 and then I'll just see what, you know, it's either 1, 2, it's either going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just take the total sum of this, which I can get from L dot size, and then I minus off the 2 consecutive days. 6, 12, 18. I'm not too sure how to do this actually. Every 6, 12, 18, same with 7. No, because you see, you can have it as any day, like, for example, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1 can be a Monday, 1 can be a Tuesday, 1 can be a Wednesday also. You can just shift around. It's just to find the maximum way to shift it. Yeah, yeah. I think you get it now. Yeah, so what we really need to do is we need to take this L. Okay, this L will be my list of days already done to the modulo part, and I need to, you know, I basically want to convert my tally into an array. So I mean, I could just do this. I could just do this. This is, yeah, but tally is so much shorter. Yeah. You see over here I have 1. So I mean, if I do tally dot each, I guess I have x, y. Let's just print out x and y to see whether I can do this. Yes, I can do this. If I were to just have x, would this be a list? Yeah, it will be a list. So what I can do is I can have an and I have an array x equals to maybe 0 times 7. Okay, and then what I'll do is I will just do um, for this xy, x x. I shouldn't call it this x. Maybe I call this z. ZX. Oh, the Python code is really short though. This, uh, yeah, I mean, I could do something like this. Could do something like this. Then what I will have is I will have an array Z that will tell me the each of the days here. I mean, I'll just do my method first. So I do a z times 2 dot each cons, so I can slide across the array. Okay. uh, I guess what I want to do is I probably let's just try to print this out first. Okay, so yeah, maybe I just sum this thing up and mix it. Okay, so just to give you other context, if I were to print x here, I will print this is like a sliding window of my days, and then I just take the sum of these sliding windows. I take the maximum sum in order to get the answer. I don't know how he got 86 characters. That's super short. Yeah, this is super short for this problem. Yeah, I must be doing it inefficiently. There might be some easier way to do this, which I'll think about after I get a basic solution out. Yeah, maybe I can just do this. I map x dot sum. Okay, so I can just map plus, right? No, actually that's dot reduce. Can I do this? Unexpected close bracket. Is there a close bracket error anywhere? I think I'll use the map method. Yeah. Maybe we try this. Let's try this first. 3, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I mean the first case is 1110. How come it's not getting the right answer? I mean 01112141. Okay, so it's actually 5, not 4. Yeah, because we do a sliding window of 5 days. Okay. Yeah, I mean this is the best I can come up with. Yeah, it basically loops through for every 5 of the list and then it just maps the sum. I mean I can shorten it a bit more, but I don't think it will be able to beat the code that was stated there. Yeah, his code is really efficient. Maybe I don't even need the tally. I can just do this L dot each ZL class equals to 1. Yeah, I could just do this. Can save the tally. Yeah.